Hello and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So my friends, we have to start right now analyze the silver, and I'm actually right now on the weekly chart. So based on the weekly chart, what we are having right here is a very consistent bullish momentum right now happening. First of all, we have here, of course, a bullish breakout from this level of a resistance trend line. As we can see right here, it has already become here as a new support trend line. So that confirms that the silver seems like it's going to continue the rise. Not only that, but if we look carefully right now, if we zoom in right here, and if we just squeeze the chart like this, or actually lowering the price scale, now what we have right here is another bullish breakout from this channel, as we can see. So we had here, of course, a broken channel with that bullish breakout candle, which happened like 1 month ago. And for the last 3 weeks, the silver kept rising. Now, that tells us that the silver actually has a potential to continue the rise. But the question is where and how far it's going to continue the rise to, and where exactly we can rebuy it. Now, let's just now move to the daily chart so we can see these patterns in more details. Now, as you can see, the silver is indeed at the top of the resistance right here. But if we look again carefully, what we can see right here is another resistance trend line that indeed has been broken out from, with that bullish breakout candle which happened last week. Now, as you can see right here, the market has already created here a new support trend line. So again, all of that says that the silver most likely will continue the rise, and we can continue buying the silver at a certain point. Of course, now we have identified the direction based on the weekly chart. It's going to be to the rise, and daily chart to the rise. Now you will go to the 4-hour time frame, or it could even be 1-hour time frame, to find your entry, where exactly you can place your buy order, because you have already decided that the silver is going to be bullish based on the weekly and daily charts. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Perfect. Now the 4-hour time frame here shows us, of course, a broken level of a real resistance right here exactly, and the silver has actually made the bullish breakout from this level of a resistance, as we can see right here. However, right here we can notice here, of course, the bullish breakout candle. Now, I would like you to notice something, that here in the middle, we had, of course, a real level of a support, exactly at 31.400. This was a real level of a support, and it was also here 2 fake breakouts from that level. So we thought that the silver will continue to fall after retesting that broken level of a support and respecting this level of a resistance, but that didn't happen, and the market instead has just simply created here a real level of a support, which indicates again that the silver is gonna continue to rise. So if we check right now the support trend lines, as we can see, the silver is still rising, and most likely it will respect this level of a support trend line that I have just drawn here in front of you. So that being said, I would actually recommend to buy the silver at the next level of a real support. Let me just highlight them for you. So right here we have a real level of a support, and the next level of a real support lies exactly right there. So therefore, to be specific, actually it's right there, just to make sure it's specific. Exactly. Check this out. So right here we had, of course, a real level of a support, and then a fake breakout. Sorry, not a fake breakout, I apologize. After the bearish breakout, it already became as a resistance. But again, right after the bullish breakout happened, the same level of a real support has been respected. Look at this reversal right here. It's just simply perfect. It really respected that level of a previous support. And that tells us that the silver, with this current price action, has actually a potential to start a pullback and will continue the fall to reach that level of a support, a trend line, plus of course the respecting that level of a previous horizontal support, and afterward it will continue the rise. And of course, by the way, this movement right here happened Friday, due to the non-farm payroll news and the unemployment rate, of course. So now, how we can exactly find the best entry? Again, we will apply the Fibonacci retracement, and just simply like this, connecting only the real levels of a support. I would like to buy the silver exactly right here at 31.8, when the market fall to another 34 pips and retest the broken level of a resistance right here and respect the real level of a support as well. And by the way, remarkably, this was the nearest level of a resistance to our entry, which is going to be right here. And if that happens, let's make our take profit a little bit safer, and I will just set my take profit to be right here above Fibonacci 100 at the week, at the top of the wick right here at 32.8, which means we are looking for around, let's say around 90 pips only. We can make it even 100. I mean, I'm sure it's going to continue to rise more than that. We can make it even right here at 105 pips. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a support, which I have shown right here exactly, like this, exactly at the Fibonacci 23.6, and we will be buying the pair exactly at Fibonacci 50. So therefore, that's going to be, of course, our entry. We have to wait for the market to fall to another 34 pips before we can buy it, targeting around 105 pips and a safe zone that ranges for around 43 pips only. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the silver. And again, don't forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. If I notice any price action going against us, I will update you right here personally from me on my free group of Telegram. Now, how to find it? You can just simply check the description below of this video, or you can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. But again, please make sure to be careful of the scammers. If you search Xtreme Trader, you will find a lot of channels pretending to be Xtreme Trader using our name and logo. Why? Of course, we have a good reputation, and of course the scammers will use advantage of that, so they will scam the victims. Of course, mainly one of them is actually a broker who pretends to be Xtreme Trader, and once you deposit your money in it, your money is gone. And we are actually receiving almost everyday complaints from people who thought that that broker is Salah and Xtreme Trader. What a sad story, really. I mean, I really feel sorry for those who believe that. Guys, we do not do any fund management. We are not a broker. We are only selling signals on our VIP group of Telegram, and that's all for us. That's all for it. We don't do any fund management or anything like that. So please, my friends, be careful and make sure to join the free group of Telegram, the authentic and original one. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.